wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Slacklines. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Complete with gym rings, monkey bars and a rope ladder, the Jugader Ninja brings the benefits of slacklining and an obstacle course to your backyard while providing a fun way for kids to improve their balance. A 3-year warranty is included. It comes with 2 nylon rope knots and is suitable for ages 5 and up. However, it takes a long time to set up. At number 9, the blue and gold webbing on the gibbon flow line makes it easy to distinguish its front and back, so you can quickly spot and correct twists when setting it up. The built-in spacers enable for smooth looping. It's equipped with Velcro tree wraps and a companion app with tutorials, but it is on the heavy side. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Slackline Industries Trick Kit consists of a large ratchet with an ergonomic handle grip and a rubberized release mechanism that provides a safe and efficient tensioning system. Unfortunately, the main line is rather short. It includes a backup safety strip and trampoline-style webbing. However, it's not as durable as the competition. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, give the family a fun and healthy way to stay active with the Get Out Classic. It includes a 50-foot line and training strip, a durable ratchet, tree protectors, and a drawstring storage bag for transport. The setup instructions aren't very clear though. It supports 330 pounds and is a good choice for camping, but this one's not ideal for performing tricks. Moving up our list to number 6, the Macaco Complete is available at an affordable price with a 2-inch wide main line. It's a good option for both novices and experienced athletes who are looking to practice and perfect various stunts. It's very easy to set up and comes with a trick guide. However, the color fades quickly. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're not quite ready to perform daredevil stunts from extreme heights, the freestanding gibbon slackrack gives you a safe and convenient way to improve your balance while remaining close to the ground. Its powder-coated metal frame is easy to adjust. It's equipped with non-slip rubber pads and is good for indoor and outdoor use, but it is pretty expensive. At number 4, the Slackline Industries Aggro has rubber grip trampoline-style webbing that provides plenty of bounce, so it's well suited for performing stunts and tricks like jumps, stands and rotations. The main line is 100 feet long and it can withstand 3 tons of tension. However, securing the ratchet is a pain. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can improve your core strength with the ZenMonkey Classic. This one's good for beginners and experts, and its soft multi-weave webbing provides a decent stretch and a secure grip. It's equipped with a carbon steel ratchet and tree protectors and made from resilient polyester. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the long loop strap included with the trailblaze kit can wrap around wide trees, and it sets up in less than 10 minutes. This one supports over 300 pounds, while the ratchet can withstand several tons of tension. It comes with a money-back guarantee and a 3-year warranty. It's lightweight and easy to transport. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the FlyBolt Complete comes with everything you need to support your new hobby, not least of which are 2 orange training strips, which can help in developing balance and arm positioning, and a ratchet cover designed to protect your feet. It includes a helpful instruction booklet and a sturdy carrying bag. It's a good choice for beginners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Slacklines, or simply click beneath this video.